Hello YouTube, it's Magmarano, and this is week 9 of my weekly update. First off, I completely redid my home screens. Now this is what I got. I lost all my music and stuff because I attempted to root it and it failed, so I had to restore it, and I did. So now I have all these apps which I can work with, so if you have any tips for me, they would be greatly appreciated. First of all, with the 3.2.1 update, it brought two major things. First is an app called App Backup, which should come pre-installed on your, or not pre-installed, on it when you update. Unfortunately, it doesn't work. If I go select all, backup, blah 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 blah, it starts going. Once it hits 14%, every time it fails. Just like that. I've tried doing data only, I've tried doing data and apps, I've tried everything. There's not really any settings to change. There are no settings actually. It doesn't work. I hope Asus fixes that because that would be very beneficial to have. Next thing here is the marketplace. Right off the bat, you can see it is completely different. This is the home screen. What you have here is apps, books, and movies on the side, and then games is kind of like a separate section. So if I go into apps, right here, you get kind of the same wall layout as on the main home screen. You slide to the right, you get categories, slide to the left, tablet apps, left again, top paid, top free, etc. And it's like that for all of the things. It's like that for books, and it's like that for movies. One of the things I really like is in the settings here, you can change it to shut off the notifications whenever you download something. You can set it so it always automatically updates apps, so you don't have to go through and check them all like you used to. Make it so you only update over Wi-Fi, it doesn't apply to this tablet. Auto add shortcuts or not, that automatically adds the icon to your home screen. I set it not to, because now I use the app drawer. And then you can clear the search history, and all this stuff's the same. So I mean, the marketplace, completely new, and I absolutely love it. This little downloading icon, that is how you get to your apps. I don't like the wasted space here, but that's really about it. There's nothing else I've had any complaints about. Like the little boxes when they open up, they are kind of a little jumpy, but it's really no big deal. Also, I've noticed they changed it, so when you're downloading multiple things, it queues them, and it only does one at a time, whereas before it would do 3 or 4 at a time, or something like that, and it would all try and be at once. So, I mean, that could be good or bad. I don't really know if it speeds it up or slows it down, but whatever. Also, I'd like to say, my first video about the update has hopefully been put up onto the techmessenger.com by now. I got a message from, sorry, I forget your name, the CFO of the Tech Messenger, saying that he was putting on a blog post about the update, and he was going to use my video. So thank you very much for that. Go check it out. I'll probably end up putting a link in the description if I remember. Next is somebody called I'm the Car Slod Kid, or SLOD Kid. You asked for some productivity apps, and this page is all my productivity apps. Right here I got Easy Uninstaller, it's batch uninstalling, App Backup comes with it, Flash Player Settings comes with it too, I don't really use it. Mobile Task Killer, this is good to just quickly free up the memory of your device, you'd optimize and boom, done. Oops. Next is the App Cache Cleaner. This makes it so you can just clear all your caches, which some of them, especially the browser, are huge, like 27 megabytes. So you clear all that, you're going to free up probably like 50 to 100 megabytes of memory. It will build back up every once in a while, so you just got to drain it. Juice Defender saves battery life. Contacts, calendar, calculator are built in. I got this stopwatch and timer app. Basically what it says it is, but I like it because you can use the volume buttons here. Volume down resets and takes laps. Volume up starts it and stops it. or you can use the on-screen, except for stopwatches, physical buttons are always better. So it's good that you can set that in the settings. Built-in's Polaris Office and Supernote. Polaris Office is your Microsoft Word, Publisher, and PowerPoint. Supernote is good for taking notes, especially if you're in a college environment, because what you can do is you can type your notes, or you can scribble, which you basically write the word and it minimizes it up there. Or if you go to Insert Annotation, you can draw in like a diagram of whatever, blah blah blah, and then saves that. So it's like perfect for taking notes. You can also insert a picture, all this stuff. It also has a paint pad, so you can just draw whatever you want, and it's got a bunch of different brushes and all that stuff, so it's pretty cool. Then Printer Share, which is awesome. It makes it so you can print out pretty much any document from your tablet to your printer at home. The printer doesn't have to be Wi-Fi enabled. If you want to see how, just go up there into my videos and find the how to print from an Android tablet app or a video. Marketplace, everyone knows that is. GPS test, it basically just tells you how many satellites you're connected to. It takes a while to get connected. Speed test, whatever, I agree. Change this. That's really not lining up right, but it does what it says it does. It tests your Wi-Fi connection speed. So I mean, blah blah blah. That's in kilobytes, so that's pretty slow right now, but whatever. My Cloud, this is pretty cool. Under My Content, you have to sign into your Asus web storage thingy, and then you can upload stuff to the cloud. Here you can connect wirelessly with any computers. You just have to download the Splashtop. Whatchamacallit, there's like a program. I don't know why it's not working now. But there's oh, okay, there you go. You can download the program to a computer and you can connect to it. You just have to like sign in, and it's pretty good browsing. It's a lot better than it used to be. It was probably updated in the 3.2.1 update, and then again when Asus updated it. And then this is like kind of an internet radio, but it's really junky. I haven't found a single channel that's good. MyNet, I'm not really sure anybody knows how to use this. I think how it works is you can play content from your tablet onto other devices. So if you had a Wi-Fi enabled TV, you can stream it directly to your TV, no need for a cable. But I'm not really sure. So that's pretty much it for all of my productivity apps. And that's actually pretty much it for this episode. Mainly I just wanted to go over the Asus's update. Asus will be releasing Ice Cream Sandwich by the end of the year, but I'd say more likely by the end of this month, if not beginning of next month. I mean, they didn't confirm that, but they just kind of made it seem like they would get it out that soon. Yeah, also now I use my app drawer. I don't know why I didn't before, like I had them all on the home screen, but I just like this more. It's easier and it's alphabetically organized, so it's a lot easier to go find the app that you're looking for. And here's a fun app. You know how for the iPhone 4 there's Siri? Well, somebody decided to make Iris, which is Siri spelled backwards. It's basically the same thing. Hello. Doesn't work as good because like everything you say, it looks up a definition. Like that. It doesn't actually respond to you usually. But I mean, it's still pretty cool. It's a work in progress. It's still an alpha. So, oh yeah, and it's free. But soon that'll be pretty cool. I'd like to see what that's like in about a month. I think it's going to be pretty awesome. Yeah, well, that's pretty much it. Again, I have the root privileges now. So if anybody knows some cool things you can do with that won't script my tablet, please let me know. I'd be glad to try them out. I was not able to successfully overclock. That's what actually screwed it up last time, so I'm not going to bother trying that again. So that's it for this episode. Sorry it's up so late. I was gone all day. But thank you for watching. Please subscribe up there. I'll be doing those giveaways once I hit 500 subs, so help me get there quicker, and you only win if you're subbed, so go up there and click the button, please. Also like the video, share it with your friends, all that stuff. Anything to show your support is greatly appreciated and it motivates me to make more videos. So thank you again for watching, and I'll see you soon.